You ever just wish your AI could do more than, just talk? That it could actually get what you're asking for, find the right info, and then do something about it? Well, today we are diving deep into the exact architecture that's making that happen. We're talking about giving AI both a brain and a pair of hands. I mean, it's a frustration we've all been there, right? You ask your smart assistant to do something that seems so simple, and you get that classic, "Sorry, I can't help with that." Well, the reason is this fundamental split in the AI world. Right now, most systems are built to either know things or do things, but it's super rare for them to do both at the same time. And you can really think about this split in two ways. On one side, you have the AI that knows. This is kind of like a super smart librarian. It has access to this gigantic library of information, and it can answer pretty much any question you throw at it. Then, on the other side, you've got the AI that does, which is more like an assembly line robot. It's programmed to do very specific things over and over perfectly. The problem? Well, the librarian can't leave the library, and the robot has no idea why it's doing what it's doing. So let's start by digging into the first piece of this puzzle, the brain. This is the part of the AI that's all about knowledge, and its fancy technical name is Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG for short. So what exactly is RAG? In simple terms, it's a system that's designed to stop AI from hallucinating, when it just makes stuff up. Before a large language model, or LLM, even tries to answer your question, RAG first dives into a trusted source of truth, like, say, your company's internal documents, and it pulls out only the relevant, factual information. It basically grounds the AI's response in reality. And the way it works is just beautifully simple. First, you ask a question, something like, "What is our company's refund policy?" Then, the RAG system zips through its knowledge base and retrieves the exact documents that talk about refunds. Finally, it just hands those documents over to the LLM and says, "Hey, use this to build your answer." And the result? You get a super accurate, fact-based response. But, and this is a really crucial point, RAG is fantastic at knowing things. It's that brilliant librarian we just talked about. But if you were to ask it to actually process a refund, it just hits a brick wall. It can tell you all about the policy, but it can't take any action. It can think, but it can't act. Okay, so if RAG is the brain, we're still missing the hands. And this is where the second piece of our architecture comes into play, the Model Context Protocol, or MPC. This is the part that actually gets things done. MCP is basically what connects the AI's brain to the real world. It gives the LLM a whole toolkit of functions and APIs that it can use. You can think of these as a list of approved actions it can take, like, say, booking a flight, canceling an order, or updating a customer's record in a database. And its workflow is just as direct. Step 1, you give it a command, cancel my last order. Step 2, the LLM looks at all the tools it has and picks the right one. In this case, probably a cancel order API. And finally, the system executes that command, and the action happens out in the real world. Simple. But MCP has the exact opposite problem that RAG has. It's all action, no context. It's our assembly line robot. I mean, it can cancel that order perfectly, but if you asked it, "Hey, should I cancel my order based on the current shipping status and the return policy?" it would be totally lost. It just doesn't have the knowledge to make a smart decision. Okay, so we have a brain that can think but can't act, and we have hands that can act but can't think. The solution is pretty obvious, right? We've got to connect them, and that is the real power of this hybrid architecture. And here's how it all comes together in one smooth workflow. It all starts with the LLM figuring out your intent. Are you asking for info, or do you want something done? Next, the RAG brain kicks in and fetches all the relevant context. With that knowledge in hand, the LLM can then reason about the best way to move forward. If it decides an action is what's needed, it triggers the MCP hands to use the right tool, and finally, it pulls everything together to give you one single complete response that handles both the knowing and the doing. Let's make this really concrete. Imagine you ask your banking app this very question. Now, this is a classic multi-step request. It's asking for information and commanding an action. A simple one-track AI system would just fail right here. So how does the hybrid system handle it? Well, first, the RAG brain goes to work. Before it even thinks about doing anything, it fetches crucial context, like your account's rules or if you have a daily limit on transfers. This is that thinking before acting part, and it's so important. So once the LLM has all that context and confirms, yep, this action is okay, it passes the command over to the MCP hands. MCP then executes two separate API calls. First, get balance to check your balance, and second, transfer funds to actually move the money. And the final result? A response that perfectly answers both parts of what you asked. It gives you the information you wanted, and it confirms the action it took. Now that is true end-to-end automation. So look, this isn't just some small incremental improvement. Combining the ability to know with the ability to act, it fundamentally changes what we can and should expect from AI. It creates a system that is just so much more powerful and reliable.
The benefits here are just huge. Your actions become context-aware, which means the AI makes way smarter choices. Those errors and hallucinations are way down because every decision is grounded in real data. And we get true automation of complex, multi-step tasks that, until now, really needed a human in the loop.
Let's just put it all together right here. A RAG system on its own can answer a policy question. Sure, an MCP system on its own can cancel an order. Yup. But only the hybrid system can handle a complex request that needs both, like asking it to check the return policy and then cancel your order based on that info. That right there is the game changer.
And this isn't just theory, right? It's already being used across major industries. I mean, think about e-commerce. You could ask an AI to find dresses that fit a company's return policy and then automatically order the one with the best reviews in your size. That's the kind of complex task this makes possible in FinTech and enterprise software, and it's what will make our personal assistants truly assistive.
So if you take just one thing away from this whole explainer, please let it be this simple but really powerful mental model. RAG is the brain, it provides the knowledge. MCP is the hands, it performs the actions. And sitting right in the middle, you have the LLM, which is the decision maker, intelligently pulling the strings for both.